Deano, my old booty.
How are you, George?
I'm alright, mate, I'm alright.
How's it going?
I'm alright, mate. I'm alright. Got this old beauty with me.
What are you then?
You looking forward to having a go?
Well, yeah, I suppose.
I suppose.
Where's the green one?
Green one? What green one?
The green one here, I was told.
Well, we ain't gonna let you go on that. You're gonna have to go have a go on this. Anyway, where's that idiot Mucka?
Why, you'd have been here.
Boys, what are you dressed like that for? It's Ploughing next week.
We're ploughing!
We're at this ploughing match today. And that delightful sound you can hear in the background is T-Dub. But you're never going to believe who's piloting the T-Dub. Let's have a look, shall we? Look who it is! It's Deano! Something's really wrong here. You're in a blue tractor.
I know.
And to be fair, you seem to be enjoying this.
I've got a smile on my face.
Very smart 3640 there. Connor's John Deere with a 4-thrower dowsel. Not sure what make of dowsel that is, what model, but there's a Mucka, serious face on him. He means business. So what do you reckon to the old girl then, mate?
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, she ain't bad, is she?
It goes alright.
Yeah.
It's quite nice to get into an old school machine, to be honest.
It does make, yeah, it makes a nice change, doesn't it? The bloody pressing buttons.
It's all very well having, yeah, it's all very nice having these buttons and things and automatic this and that, but it's quite nice to do it old school.
Yeah, pull a big old lever, hear it clunking. Wave to the camera, Mucka.
He still doesn't know what he's doing.
Wave, no, look at him.
He ain't got a clue, is he?
Is he going to wave now? Look at him, he's just like Mr. Serious. Look at him.
Considering he thought he was going frigging flying.
Yeah. What an idiot. What an idiot.
I'm waiting for him to go back down without turning the plough over.
Yeah, oh, can't wait for that. Yeah, we've got some ground here, we've got to give him a bit of a wave. I think I know what that, what's up with Mucka actually, why he's pulling that face.
Why?
It's because of that on the front, isn't it? He hates stainless steel straight through exhaust, doesn't he? He hates them. That's why he's got that look of utter disgust on his face.
Looking down his nose, isn't he?
He is, mate, he is.
Gives a nice bark, doesn't it?
It does sound nice, I've got to say. It sounds nice with the standard exhaust, but
yeah,
it does give it a bit of a roar, this L straight through, doesn't it?
Nice bit of black smoke.
Yeah, can't beat it. Well, that's something you don't get in a modern pattern.
No, that's
you
the trouble. No matter how hard you drive it.
No, you don't get anything good to listen to.
Nothing good to listen to with no smoke.
No.
this done, because we've got to get it drilled this afternoon, haven't we?
Hello, yeah. What we drilling it with? By hand, I think.
Fiddle.
Yeah, see if we get a waiver from this time.
Probably not.
Is he going to wave? Right, it's Mr. Serious. Yeah. Not very loud. Give him a wave. Double thumbs up we got.
Wow.
Must be doing something right, mate. Catch a bit of outside footage. Say bye to the viewers. Don't stall it. Right, boys.
Ain't too bad, is it?
Ain't too bad. Lovely bit of weather. Beautiful, isn't it?
Started off lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could do with a cup of tea.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, go on, go and get us a cup of tea, George.
Oh, I'll go and do a cuppa. Yeah.
Oh, good old boy, thank you. Right then, at least he's gonna get a cup of tea. Are you going to go?
Yeah, I'll have a go.
Good.
Yeah.
Why has he got that epoxy exhaust on there?
I don't know. I don't know.
The original looks so much better.
Yeah.
Like I said, don't bring it, don't put that in. Oh, yeah. He won't be laughing shortly, I can tell you.
Why were you in mind?
I'm going to take that off and put the proper one back because he's got that in his truck because I've seen it. The proper, he's just done that to annoy me. He won't be doing it again.
Look what I got.
I know. I got his cheesy cock gloves. They stink like an old bloody lump of fucking Edam.
Good job he left the back of his truck, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That off?
Yeah. That's what I think of that. Good old boy.
Did it go on?
Yeah. Like
that
a
looks
glove.
better already.
Like a glove.
Looks better already.
I know. See, look how much better that looks.
It looks better, doesn't
It does. Right,
it? I'm going to take it for a spin, shall I?
you go and do that.
I'll go do a round.
Yeah, I've got something to do.
Have you?
See ya. Go on.
I will.
No, don't worry about it.
Bloody weather. How's it going? And it's still playing all right?
Yeah.
Where have you been?
Well, what do you think? Got your tea, ain't I? Nice warm tea. Now, where's my pipe gone?
What?
Oh, my straight through pipe. That's the original one.
Yeah, that's what was on it.
There, mate.
That's my pipe. Well, there's your tea then, isn't it?